Smith might be a name that's used frequently in the English language, but smithii is something special. Welcome to Get Gardening, I'm Alan Gray. You know, there is nothing like a freebie. And a few years ago, there was a seedling that came up in a pot that I bought from another nursery. And it was this. And it's obviously a Tropaeolum. I didn't know which one, but I've since found out that it's Tropaeolum smithii. And I've had it ever since. And I don't know whether you know this, but members of the Tropaeolum family you can actually take cuttings from. They're very thin and wispy, and here's a piece that you would use. You would take cutting underneath that leaf node and put that around the edge of a pot, and that will make a new plant in about 3 weeks. But it also produces seed. If you look here, I've just gathered a few seeds. Now I dry those for a few days and then sow them, and that's another way of propagating the plant. But isn't it strange how you get these plants? I never see it for sale anywhere, and yet I recognise this leaf as being interesting. I'll just show you the leaf because you can actually see it. It is quite glaucous and rather an interesting shape, and to some people it might be just a leaf, but to me it was something special, and this is the result. Tropaeolum smithii. Smith may be a common name.